How to send pictures on TikTok messages. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send pictures to any of your friends from your TikTok. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, you want to make sure that you have updated your app. So start by opening up your Play Store and search for TikTok. In case you see update sign here, tap on update. And once done, open your app. Here, get logged into your account and click onto the inbox icon on your bottom right. Go on to any chat that you would like to send a photo. Then here you will see a photo icon, tap onto it. Then it will open up your gallery section. Tap onto the select icon on your bottom left and choose the photo that you would like to send. And once you see the sent text just below the photo, that means that you have sent the photo and other person has received it. And this is how you can send a photo on TikTok. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.